Hey everybody, I'm Andy the Kenworth Guy here at Inland Kenworth in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. So today I have a really special video that that I'm going to do for you guys today. And this video is actually not for you. This video is for a little boy named Trison. He's 4 years old. He's from the East Coast in Canada here, and he loves trucks. And he's battling with leukemia right now, and he's fighting the fight. I just heard about him here on Saturday, and he has a Facebook group page, and he loves trucks. And I wanted to make this video for him especially. And Trison, I'm talking to you right now, bud. Keep on fighting the fight. Keep on trucking. And I have a really cool ending to this video. I'm going to be featuring 5 trucks, and then there's a 6th truck that's a special truck here at the end of the video. And so make sure you watch to the end of this video. This is by far the most important, and I'm going to have to say this is my favorite video that I've been able to produce and put out there. So Trison, hang in there, bud. Keep on fighting, keep on trucking, and make sure you watch to the end of this video. So the first video that we're going to be watching here today is a Kenworth W900L. This is a logging truck that I sold quite a few years ago, and let me show you this video. All right, so that was a really cool one. The next truck video that I have for you is it's a brand new model that we came up with about 1.5 years ago. And Trison, I don't know if you've seen it yet. It's the W990. So Kenworth has sold a W900 for almost 60 years. It's a long time. That's like older than me. That's a long time. But Trison, this is a new model, and let me show it to you, the 990. So let's check it out. All right, Trison, what did you think of that one? Did you like that one? That's the new style truck that has come out. So Trison, the next truck video is a video of a really old truck. This is a 1997 Kenworth W900 Aerodyne 1. So a friend of mine, Jay Palachuk, drives this truck, and I'd love to show you this this video. So let's take a look at this truck. cool. Those are train horns on his truck. So like on a big train, there's big loud horns. That's what those horns were, Trison. All right, Trison, so this next truck is a newer W900L that I sold to a gentleman a few years ago. And I really like the paint scheme on this one. I don't know what your favorite color is, but I really, really love a red truck. So let's show you this video and I'll show you what it's all about. All right, that was a nice one, eh? Trison, did you notice that the fuel tanks on that truck were painted red also? They weren't shiny, they were all painted. I think that makes that truck look really good. So Trison, the next truck is a blue truck. Blue is my favorite color. Now, I don't know what your favorite color is, but I love this truck because it's a beautiful color of blue. So let's show you this one. All right, Trison. The last video coming right up here at you. Thanks for watching so far. Make sure you watch the one after this one here, because there's a really special truck video that I want to show you. So let's roll this video. But before we do, I want you to know that this next truck video is my favorite truck that I've ever sold. The guy that I sold it to, we became pretty good friends over a long time, and he didn't even live in the city that I live in. He lived on the other side. He's actually from the East Coast originally, so he's from around where you live probably. So let's roll that video, Trison, and I'll show it to you. All right, Trison, what did you think of that one? That one's my favorite truck. And I don't know if you notice that in that video, that last little part, the sky and the sunset, it was just a really cool time when I was taking that video, and I actually took a picture of it too, which is right there. That's the same truck. At the same time I took that picture, and It's really cool. Now, Trison, you've been watching this video so far. Thanks for sticking with me here. Like I said, at the end of the video, I had something really special truck I wanted to show. So without further ado, let me pull out this truck here for you. So Trison, this is a truck that I love, and this is the W900, and I love the color of it. And I even had my friends at JJ Graphics make a nice decal for you, Team Trison, and this is to show my support for you and the fight that you're in right now. And I want you to keep on trucking. And so I'm gonna write "keep on trucking" on top of here for you. Okay, bud? Keep on trucking. And then I'm gonna sign it, Andy, the Kenworth Guy. And oh, keep on trucking, Trison. I'm gonna put that there too. So bud, I'm gonna be putting this in a box, and I'm gonna be putting this in the mail. Actually, I'm gonna put it on an airplane, and I'm gonna fly it to your hospital room, and I hope it comes there in the next couple of days, because I really want you to have this truck. And I just want you to know that you're in my thoughts, you're in my prayers. I'm praying for you, bud. And I have a lot of people here on YouTube. I want everybody on YouTube here that's following this video, and I want you guys to send some prayers to Trison for complete healing from leukemia. And to help brighten Trison's day, go to his Facebook group page, Team Trison, and follow his page. Send him some truck videos, some truck pictures. He would love it. So that's it for this video here. Trison, thanks for watching. I'm really excited to see this, and I'd love to see a picture or maybe even a video of you with this truck. And Trison, you can give me a phone call if you want. You can even FaceTime call me if you want to. My phone number is 204-293-9180. So you give me a call, and I look forward to talking to you maybe one day really soon. So thanks, bud. Have the world's best day.